Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys how to switch out the latch on the upper lid of a 2.0. So go ahead and remove the lid from the dirt bin, flip it over, and then on the inside there's going to be 2 screws, so go ahead and remove those real quick. Then set the screws aside so you don't lose them. You're going to want to move this other screw holding the handle to the top lid. And there you go. The top handle is apart from the top lid. And then from here you can remove the spring, replace the spring, or keep it intact. And then for the actual switch part, let's see if I can zoom in here. When you get your flathead, you kind of just get in there and just pop it out. But you want to be careful not to break it. There we go. So yeah, so once you have the handle removed from the top lid, just get a flathead in there on the sides and just kind of pry it out, but be gentle. And then to put it back in, there's going to be these slots on each side. And then on the actual button, there's going to be these channels. So get it started and put pressure up against it. And then from there you got it in place. Then you just put the spring inside the button, press down on it, and then you put the 3 screws back. And these screws just need to be tight. You don't need to over tighten them or do anything like that. And then once you got the handle back on, just go ahead and give the button a test and make sure that there has resistance in it. So yeah, that's how it's done. So just quickly go over again. Take the 3 screws out, remove the top handle. Once the top handle is removed, get a flathead in between the actual top handle and the button. Pry the button out, get your replacement button, slide the channels on the button into the slots, make sure it snaps, put the spring inside the button, and put the 3 screws back in. If you guys need any extra help, send us an email at service@proluxcleaners.com. Thanks.